Hey everyone, last week Ecuador's court reduced the fine that they applied to this fraudulent case of Chevron allegedly dumping oil into the Amazon River Delta when it did not. In point of fact, Chevron bought Texaco, which was the minority partner with the state of Ecuador and the Ecuador oil company Ecuador, owned by the state of Ecuador, which owns 75% of that group. Between 1967 and 1992, Texaco cleaned up its share of the environmental damage. Ecuador did not then, and still has not, and has been responsible for thousands of oil spills. And yet, Ecuador, complicit with Amazon Watch, sued Chevron because they're a big American oil company for billions in a fraudulent case, and now has backed off of it, lowering that to $8 billion. They should have just taken it away entirely. The reason? Because they said, oh, Chevron didn't apologize. They've got nothing to apologize for. And there's a constant history and habit of American oil companies, and also, I might add, white American business owners, frankly, being picked on by third world politicians of color and business people of color because they're white, taking their monies, committing crimes against them, and chasing them out of countries when they could never get anything they wanted from the so-called gringos. It's an ugly activity that must be talked about and put to an end.